Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Falcon and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zep application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to open the Zep application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon and here you should see the Amazfit Falcon, and under it there should be watch faces category. Tap on the arrow right here to open the whole watch face store, and here we have the list of watch faces we can download and install on our watch. For some you need to pay for some you don't need to pay. So find the ones you like. For example, I'm gonna open the this category, scroll through something, find the watch face, let's say this one. So let's select the watch face you like, for example this one, then tap on this big sync button and it's gonna start downloading, and after it's done it will be applied on your watch. Like this, and you can download multiple watch faces. And once you're done downloading them and you want to check the list of watch faces installed on your watch, you can tap on mine right here at the top, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch, and you can switch between them by simply tapping on them. You can also remove them by tapping on delete right here. Select the watch face you want to remove and then tapping on delete and OK, and it will be removed from your watch. And right here you have also the history of installed, basically the purchases, but the watch faces I installed were free, so I didn't need to buy anything. But basically here you will have the list of watch faces you installed from the watch face store. Okay, and of course once you're done you can close the app, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.